APLD stock still sitting, not still sitting, that doesn't even make sense. Still sitting under the purple line, still at a massive discount, so still down here close to the bottom of the range, stuck in a nice volatile box. I was just telling people in my other video, in my Soundhound video, guys, if you want to flip a stock for the dopamine hit, right? Because I like flipping, I like buying a stock and then it goes up $1 and I make a quick $50, $100, right? I like buying 100 shares, 200 shares. It goes up and I make a quick $200, whatever, right? I like that. In order for that to happen, you need to be trading stocks that are volatile enough that move up and down like 80 cents to $1.50 within one single day. So for flippers, if we want that sweet dopamine hit, I mean, look at this, from 30.18 to 28 and then back up to 29. I mean, goddamn, it can move up and down $1 or $2. So APLD, super volatile. I think it's more volatile than some of the other stocks that I talk about on this channel, like QVTS. So if you want volatility and you love quick flips and that dopamine hit of, man, I just made a quick $100, let me go buy myself a $30 lunch, because fuck those things. The lunches these days are expensive. If you want a side of fries, Coke, and another Coke for some reason, and the burger, it might run you like $20. It's ridiculous. I can't believe how expensive things are. But hey, if you like that dopamine hit and you want your lunches to be free, APLD is the way to go with how volatile it is. Now that's for the flippers, people who want to, want that quick $150, $50, whatever, over and over again. Now, if you're looking for the longer term swing, this is a buy down here. Classic buy low, sell high. Looks exactly the same as last time. We come down to the bottom of the range. Everyone thinks it's over. Oh no, nobody wants to buy it nice and cheap at 20 to 25 bucks. And then it eventually goes back above the purple line and starts running back to the top of the range. And funny enough, it kind of looks the same as last time. This looks like a double bottom too. So it comes down, comes up a little bit here, and then pulls back, and then finally breaks out above the purple line and goes higher. So that's kind of what's happening here. Came down, double bottom, pulled up to as far as 32 bucks, pulling back a little bit right now, and then we're going to go up to the purple line at around 34, 35, and then we'll see what happens there. Maybe we pull back again and then finally make that move back to 50 bucks. I've been giving you the play-by-play on APLD for a long time now. If you've been watching these videos, I've been pretty on point. I told you guys a long time ago, like, this is going to go to 50. Right? And I'm telling you, it's going to go to 75, then 90, then 100. I don't know when it's going to happen. I'm not saying it's going to happen right away. It's going to happen at some point. I don't care about the time, how long it takes to get there. The fact that it can even get there and you can make 2x, 3x on your money, that's good enough for me. So I think long-term price target, I still reiterate my long-term price target of 100. Now, if you're looking for a shorter term swing, you would buy right now at around 30, sell it around 45, which would be a 50% return. Again, so volatile that it can make those kinds of moves up and down within this range. It's been stuck in this range since October of last year. So, wow, we're on our way. Time goes by. I mean, it's August, September, October. We're on our way to 1 year of one entire year of APLD in the same range. You can literally just buy at the bottom of the range under $30, which is what I tell people, just buy under 30 and then just flip it and take your 20, 30, 40, 50, 80%, rinse and repeat, rinse and repeat, rinse and repeat while it stays in this range, right? Why not? We haven't been in a bull run on APLD since October of last year. Once this thing goes into a bull run, my goodness, this thing is going to do incredible. If it's already behaving this way since October. In October, Bitcoin crashed, and it's been crashing since then from 120 to 60K. Meanwhile, APLD is sitting here in a range. If that's not a sign of strength, I don't know what you're looking at. But you don't even need to learn how to read candles. There's just a fucking line and it's purple. It comes down under the purple line. You buy and then it goes back up above the purple line. Don't be a Jerry Seinfeld. Be a George Costanza. You buy, you hold. You're not scared. That is it for this video. I will see you in the next one.